You're just in bed watching anime. Like, my mind's free. I'm not worried about anything. Honestly, like, dude, really, I could care less about skincare. Honestly, as long as you wash your face with water and no more. I don't even use face wash, dude. Like, for me, I'm just like, I don't know.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Yo, wait, if you win this,
You rigged this?
you're paying for the thing tonight, right? If you win this?
I don't know, I scratched it too much.
That was dumb.
Why is everybody taking I'm so
We need
stressed
proof.
It's
out.
important. It's important.
No, I didn't get anything there.
Hey,
what is this?
What'd you say about your taxes again?
I'm ethical. I run taxes.
Yeah, okay.
Did you get it? Yeah. Just supportive. Yo, way to ruin our night, Nitin.
Hi guys, fellow hungry mommies. It's the Better Food Vlogging channel. Two females.
Yeah, we're only males, so we have meal presents, so I get
Exactly.
That camera, we don't want that good quality, we want that janky quality. Yo, everyone put their hand around. Yeah, I know.
Yo, let me get that one.
I hate this game.
Yo,
Let you.
it literally I literally see you in front of. Wait, there's two of you. Hey, yo, there's two of you. Oh, God.
Oh my God, bro.
God.
Got it? I'm about a good 5'8".
Yo, 5'8"? Nah, yo, you 5'9".
I am very much 5'8", minus 4 inches.
Do people at Starbucks who work there, do they judge us when we say medium size?
No, we don't judge you when you say medium
Yeah,
and
yo,
shit. We
I
just,
definitely get fall by
we
so.
just judge you when you come in like 5 minutes before closing and you order the most absurd frappuccino that there is. And we've already washed all the blenders. I know that's definitely you
Yeah, no, that's definitely Joseph.
Wait, me?
with your caramel fraps.
I mean,
Caramel ribbon crunch. Jonathan, what's your Starbucks order?
Like an Americano.
Hey, wow.
Tell me you're boring and you have no passions in life without telling me you're boring and have no passions.
Alright, what's your drink, my girl?
My drink is an iced chai with brown sugar syrup with vanilla. Sweet cream cold.
I can't, yeah.
No, actually.
Yeah, we go.
Actually.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I reach for the stars. Oh shit! I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you play games. What's this all about? I can't believe I heard it. She tags along, stands in the crowd, looks at the man, turn around.
Do the same face. Do the same face. No.
All I